Hey guys, welcome back to High Class Cooking on this new segment I like to call High Class Road Trip Extravaganza. After a 5-year hiatus, everybody moved on and moved away, making production of High Class Cooking a lot more difficult. But I've been thinking a lot about this series over the past year, and honestly, I knew I needed to travel if I wanted to make one. So, I traveled from my hometown of Seattle to the secret filming location where I would meet the High Class Cooking cameraman to make a new episode. And about 4 hours later, we finally touched down at Pasco, Washington. Now, this was really exciting for me because not only was it the halfway point between my destination, but I no longer had to take a bus as the cameraman was coming to pick me up. So, while I waited, I decided to explore the station, and that's when I figured out there were some cats on the campus.
What's he doing here?
Just arrived in Pasco. Went to take a little pee-pee break. However, there's a belt on the floor, there's cum in the toilet, and I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm not staying here for long. Slim pickings today. And slim pickings it was indeed. That sort of seemed to be a running theme here in the town of Pasco, where there were a lot of empty vending machines, porta potty storage lots, and just not a lot going on. But like I said, the benefit of it all was the 7 cats roaming around the train station. I loved them a lot. And soon after my exploration began, the cameraman was here to pick me up.
We're at the drive-thru. So, today we got the first ever Ghost crew employee, and they're gonna hand us our meal soon. It's really cool. They're just standing there staring at us. It's kind of creepy.
Once we acquired our nummies from McDonald's, we went to Walmart to get our supplies.
We're out here shopping for High Class Cooking today. Minions: The Rise of Gru Fart Gun, limited edition. This is amazing.
After Nick's little incident inside the Walmart, we decided to head back to the car for safety and to pack up for the next feat of our journey, so long as we don't damage the cars in the process.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Road Trip Reviews, where today we're trying out crispy rice treats.
Here we go, first impressions. There's got some sprinkles on there, that's pretty cool. Well, it's cool. Looks-wise, it looks okay. Taste-wise, I can already tell. After reviewing that, it was time to go back home and start yet another road trip review.
Welcome back to where today we're going to be reviewing the Queen Anne cherries, the French vanilla flavor. I'm a big fan of the dark chocolate flavor, but we have not tried the French vanilla. I pre-opened it for easy access. They're all still in here, and one has presented itself for us. So we will try it. Alright, I'm looking at the cherry. It's surrounded by like cum. I don't like the vanilla one. Anyways, that concludes our episode of Evan's Road Trip Reviews. Queen Anne, French vanilla cherries. Would not buy out of 10.
And so that's the review of the Queen Anne French Vanilla Chocolate Covered Cherries. These weren't only bad, but these were kind of downright awful. I was trying to get rid of them for the past couple days to my friends, and nobody wants to take them. So, with that review out of the way, we decided to start packing up and getting ready for the filming of the next High Class Cooking, and that's when the cameraman found some cookies that he thought he would offer.
Some cookies? From a couple days ago. Oh. Casey.
Don't you forget about me? It's me, Mildred the Potato.
And after Mildred the Potato was created and quickly became a staple of the high-class cooking Thanksgiving special kitchen, we were ready to film after just 13 hours after my bus trip had begun. Since it takes forever to film, and we didn't even start until way late in the day due to Greyhound bus schedules, it was way past our dinner time, so we decided to call the cameraman's favorite pizza place in town.
Hello, thank you for calling. For delivery.
Pickup, please.
Can I get your phone number?
This portion of the video is censored due to privacy reasons.
Yep. Can I get a big cheese pizza, please? And then, can I get the garlic sauce for that too, please?
On the side or on the pizza?
On the side, please. Alright, and that will be it.
9:34 and about 15 minutes.
Great, thank you so much.
After that brief interaction showing just how much she liked the cameraman, we hit the road. Upon our arrival, the cameraman was very quick to point out the funny man on the side of the glass. That turns out to be the CEO and founder of the company. But regardless of who it was, I had to go up and get some pictures.
Shit, my mask.
Hi.
Hi, sorry. There you go.
What can I get for you?
I had a pizza, just a big cheese, and then the sauce.
9:34 is the total.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. $2 is good, yeah? Yeah, there's that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too,
Thank you.
thanks. Alright. Alright. Let's go home. Ready?
Yup.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Pizza Camp!
Pizza Camp. Seem like 7.
Finally, we can eat the pizza.
Go. I got my Yeah, we got it.
That's exactly what I think cartoon pizza tastes like.
That's why I like it, because it's literally a cartoon pizza place. Oh, you gotta try the sauce though, right?
Oh yeah.
Delicious.
That's definitely the closest to a cartoon pizza that I'll ever have in my mouth. But better yet, the cameraman had a story on why it's just so good.
That was one of the original Little Caesars pizzas before they did any modifications to their shit. Owned by one of the original families that started the Little Caesars chain. And Little Caesars started breaking off and doing new shit, and they're like, no, we're not doing that. We're gonna become our own thing. And so they stuck with everything old Little Caesars did. So you're eating Little Caesars pre-2000s.
Oh, the OG.
Yeah, they kept everything the same from the original Little Caesar.
And that about does it for today's episode of High Class Road Trip Extravaganza. Be sure to tune in next time for way more behind the scenes looks at high class cooking and a little bit more fun. Next time on High Class Road Trip Extravaganza. Mildred the Potato fucking dies. Mildred the Potato fucking dies again. And last but not least, Woody from Toy Story commits suicide.
Some days just aren't worth it.